Hey guys, it's Miss Schaefer, and today you are going to be completing the Moose Mayhem Ecosystem Graphic Organizer. You are first going to click on the link below to watch the video called Moose Mayhem. While you watch the video, take notice of the organism, population, community, and the ecosystem. You'll be filling out a graphic organizer about the organism and its ecosystem. So, let me maybe stretch this out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. Maybe I can't. So, when you go to slide 2, you'll see this graphic organizer, and it says drag the pictures on the left to where they belong in the graphic organizer. If you need more copies of an organism, right click and select copy, then right click again and select paste. You may not need all of the copies, and that is okay too. If you cannot see the pictures on the left of the slide, then zoom out by clicking on the magnifying glass. So up here is a magnifying glass, and if you're zoomed in too much, maybe zoom out a little bit. Okay. So it says you are to click on these icons, and you're going to move them where they belong, either the organism, population, community, or ecosystem. If you want to make another copy of it, you click on it, right click. It's going to say, let me move this up a little bit. Let me try that again. Right click, and it's going to say copy. You hit copy, and then you click somewhere, right click again, and hit paste, and one will show up. Okay, I'm going to delete that one. You can make extra copies if you need it, and you're just dragging them over. And remember what each of these words mean: organism, population, community, and ecosystem.